Hi friends. Welcome to CentLinux. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Docker on Rocky Linux 10. Stick around until the end to ensure you don't miss any important steps. Check Linux operating system and kernel versions. New to our channel? Subscribe now for more content on Linux, cloud, and DevOps. Update your Rocky Linux 10 server. The update process has also upgraded your Linux kernel, so it's recommended to reboot your system before proceeding with the Docker installation. Docker is available in its official repository, so you need to add the Docker repository to your Linux server before installing it. All prerequisites are complete. You can now proceed to install Docker on Rocky Linux 10. Enable and start Docker service now. Docker has been successfully installed. You can verify the installation by creating a test container. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by liking and subscribing. And don't forget to share it with your community.